Welcome. If you've ever received a file in Google Drive and need to quickly grab its shareable link, this guide is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to copy the link of any file that's been shared with you, all from the Google Drive app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the account where the file was shared. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Shared tab. This section shows all the files and folders others have shared with you, making it easy to find what you need. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific. When you find the file you want to share, look to the right of its name for 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options button. Tap on these 3 dots to open a menu with several actions you can take on the file. From the menu, select Copy Link. Instantly, Google Drive will copy a shareable link to your clipboard. You'll usually see a quick confirmation message letting you know the link is ready to use. Now, you can paste this link wherever you need, send it in an email, drop it in a chat, or share it through any app. Just tap and hold in any text field and select Paste, or use your device's keyboard shortcut if you're on a computer. Before you share, remember, the person receiving the link will only be able to access the file if the sharing settings allow it. If you want anyone with the link to view, comment, or edit, you can adjust these permissions by tapping Share in the same menu and choosing the appropriate access level. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you've copied the link to a file shared with you in Google Drive, ready to share it with anyone you choose. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.